The brief summary of anxiety, the physiology channel for information, the correlation and the connection to create or cause awareness, the biological process for an action potential, the formation of action for automatic response, and the cognition memory transmission of an event, and retrieval for the transformation and display of a psychological behavior. The physiology of anxiety is the reason for worrying to understand what is wrong. To understand an event, there must be a stimuli for what is that. The level of anxiety depends on encoding information for action potential. Register in the sensory memory or the place cell for input in the short-term memory to register an action for the occurrence of an event. If an action is not an automatic nervous response, the action form for an event is transmitted to the long-term for storage. The recall of an event is the repeated action that becomes the habit used to respond. The habit of action for an event becomes our behavior for a recognized event. An ignored anxiety is the cause for fear or paranoia. An abstract by Michel J. Dugas and others suggested that intolerance of uncertainty is the fear of anxiety. Dugas et al. 2012. Being unable to recognize and formulate an action for an event causes depression. Anxiety is not the cause of abnormal behavior. The words associated with anxiety are autonomic nervous system, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, somatic and sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, short-term memory, and long-term memory.